Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to submit ID on Prizepicks. So if you don't automatically get verified after you sign up, they'll ask you to submit your identification information. Okay, you have to submit a photo ID of either your national ID, your government issued, driver's license, or a passport. So what you need to do is just follow the app's instructions. So they will prompt you to take a photo using your smartphone of the front of that ID, and then they'll prompt you to take one of the back. And you want to make sure that the ID is placed in clear view. There is no obstruction, all the edges are visible, and it's a clear photo. Nothing is blurry. This process takes less than 2 minutes. And then once you are verified, they'll send you a notification saying verification successful. They'll also send you a link to the deposit page so you can actually add funds to your account and begin playing Prizepicks. And it's really that easy and simple, guys, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.